For more than 4 decades, one local company has been helping Quad Cities homeowners improve, protect, and transform their spaces.
Suburban Construction has grown over those 40-plus years into a trusted name for windows, siding, and doors while staying deeply rooted in the community it serves. I like it when you sing it.
Yes.
Sing it. Joining us today is Vice President Darin Wilson. Darin, welcome to the show.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here. Absolutely. So let's start with a little history and a little bit of background. This is a family-owned and operated business. Started back in the 80s.
Yeah, 1985, and as old as I am, that's not too long ago, but I guess it is. You know, it's a couple generations. It's 41 years now.
Yeah, me and Suburban Construction are the same age.
Oh,
congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
We can celebrate birthdays together.
We
That's
absolutely
great.
can. We'll have a joint birthday.
Yeah.
Yes. So, over these last, 40 plus years, Suburban has completed really tens of thousands of different projects. So how has Suburban really evolved over time?
40,000 plus jobs completed. So it started in Brian Gerskis's basement. He had 3 little boys running around in diapers. His wife was helping him out, and he started his own company. And he soon outgrew that, building that business out of his basement, moved into an office in downtown Bettendorf. Then we moved over to Davenport on 35th Street, and now we're at our current location on Harrison Street there. Yeah.
Quite an evolution over those years. We're taking a look at some photos, different photos of the team, different photos of the business, awards that Suburban Construction has received. And one thing, and we'll see some photos here, Suburban is deeply rooted in the community. So we'll find team members supporting different organizations all over the Quad Cities.
Yeah, you bet. And we live in the community, and we want to support the community that supports us. So I think Suburban has become synonymous for Quad City lore. And just everybody knows the name. They know the jingle. Kyle, you did great singing that.
I mean, that was my second time doing it. So Morgan, how many times have you sung it? Yeah.
No. You know how I am.
We'll get you to do it. We'll get you to do it.
This is the singer of the show, not me, that's for sure.
But we work with all the sports organizations, the Bandits, the Steam Wheelers, the Storm. They're great for us. We work with other community organizations like the Lions Club, Knights of Columbus, Boy Scouts of America. That's a big one for us too. So we try to give back as much as possible because, like I said, we live here. We want to support the community that supports us.
Yeah, more than just doing business here in the Quad Cities. So let's talk more about the day-to-day of what you do at Suburban. Obviously, windows, siding, and doors. Yeah, that's your jam.
When I go into somebody's house, I always ask, how did you hear about Suburban? And 9 times out of 10, I get sung to every time. So it is a great thing to have that in the jingle because that's what we do, window siding and doors. So,
the jingle's effective.
Yeah, it really is. So everything exterior remodeling, we take care of for people, and we've been doing work for grandparents, their kids, now their kids. So it's making me feel actually pretty old starting to work on the grandchildren's houses. But it's just kind of a family tradition, just like we are.
Yeah. Okay. So we are seeing some photos right now of different homes, showing the siding, showing the door installs that you've done, and of course the windows. So take us, through the process a little bit for somebody who may be thinking about a project like this but hasn't made that phone call yet.
It's very easy. You can go to our website and request a quote online. We'll call you up. We'll set up a time. Most of the time we'll come out and just kind of discuss what the scope of work is. What is it you're looking for? What do you want? You don't have to have the answers right then and there. And then we'll have you come into our showroom and actually take a look at the different products that we offer, the different styles, different colors.
The fun part.
Yeah, absolutely. You've both been there.
Yes.
So we're really proud of our showroom. We put a lot of money right back into our business to make sure that our customers get to have the best experience possible when dealing with remodeling a house, because it's not always great, but we want the result to be awesome.
Yeah, and obviously you want the customer to be happy because this is something that could possibly last their lifetime. So talk about the feedback you get from your customers because you receive a lot of positive reviews.
Yeah, we do have a lot of great reviews online, and our biggest focus is that customer service. When Brian started the company, he instilled with JR, who took over the company, I think in 2006. Okay. And he and I both run it now. And service after the sale. We're not done with you after we do the job and collect a check. If there's any issues down the road, we're going to take care of that for you. The warranties on the products we have are phenomenal. A lot of times they're lifetime guarantees. Our windows have lifetime guarantees, even on glass breakage. and we'll come out and fix it for you for free. Manufacturer covers the parts and pieces, we cover the labor. So
that's a lot of peace of mind.
Oh yes, especially with our wonky weather here.
Absolutely.
Yes.
We love taking care of our customers because they take care of us. So it's always
absolutely
a win-win.
Suburban Construction is located at 3602 North Harrison Street in Davenport. If you would like to inquire about their services, you can call the number on your screen, 563-391-4000. You can also visit their website, suburbanconstruction.com. Darin, thanks again for being here with us today. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you, and thank you for watching Quad Cities Live.
We will see you back here for our next live broadcast tomorrow's Wednesday. It'll be Wednesday at 3.
Wednesday at 3.
Read the prompter, Kyle.